Hello everyone, we are from Team Biopointers and we are here to present our prototype for Smart India Hackathon 2022, the hardware edition. Our problem statement is to develop new ways of wastewater management system in rural areas. So for achieving the potential solution, we have prepared a vermifilter composting toilet, a type of flush toilet on-site processing of domestic sewage with worms. The design and construction of this vermifilter composting toilet system is very simple, cost effective and needs no external energy input or machinery to process the sewage. There are two main parts of the system apart from the flush toilet: an insulated tank or intermediate bulk container which houses the worms with their associated ecosystem, and a green filtered tank to allow the vermifiltered water to be cleaned further and returned to the environment directly by refiltering it in green filter beds or the soak-away area. In this system, the flushing from the conventional toilet are drained into an insulated plastic tank with their central access hole at the top and a drain outlet at the base, consisting of a large quantities of earthworm inhabiting the surface layer of the carbon-rich coarse materials such as wood shaving and cut-offs, chops, prunings, dead leaves, straw, partially finished compost, kitchen scraps, both dry and partially decomposed to make an ideal mix. We need to cut an access hatch in the top of the tank for inspection and to allow the periodic addition of the organic materials for the system to function. The ventilation pipe should be as straight and extended above the rooftop, and we can use some wood ash, sludge ash to reduce the odor emission. Earthworm can survive within a temperature range of 5 to 29 degrees Celsius. Their optimum temperature range 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. To keep them as close as possible to their preferred temperature range, the IBC tank will need to be encased in an insulated housing in most climates. To make the housing of wide ranges materials such as brick, stone wood, etc. and a hinge roof access which is also insulated. When the flushing materials enter into the container, the solid inorganic surface layer is processed by these earthworms by various enzymatic reactions, and the liquid waste effluents are drained through the waste pipe into a green filtered tank consisting of some organic coarse material which have used in the worm tanks. Then the filtered liquid passes through the waste pipe to the green filter beds. Percolation trenches and mulch pit fed by a green filter tank are filled with the same coarse organic materials. While permitting rapid percolation, the organic materials act as a sponge to hold the filtered water for uptake by the plants and will serve to improve the texture and fertility and the water retention capacity of the surrounding soil, as well as forming the principal substrate for a massive increase in the soil biota. Or the filtered liquid can pass through another waste pipe to the storage tank, where it can be stored for further agricultural uses and for gardening. We can periodically remove the vermicompost and the earthworm to use in the gardening. To maintain the correct carbon and nitrogen ratio, the system will need to be topped up with an organic material mix occasionally. And third point, to ensure all the pipelines must be linked properly to pass the contaminants to prevent the clogging of the waste materials.